Hi everyone, it's really good to see everybody in person again. I know it's been a really long time and I'm so excited that I get to see you guys in person again. And just for the students who don't know me, my name is Miss Ryan. So I just wanted to welcome everybody to my classroom, and this is actually our first grade math class, okay? Today, we have an exciting lesson because today we are going to learn to add two different numbers to get any number that is equal or less than the number 10. Can anybody raise their hand and count to 10 for me? Yes, EJ.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good, EJ. I'm so happy you can count to 10. Now, EJ, do you know how many fingers you have on your hands? What's the total amount of fingers you have? Can I see? Oh, you have 10? Can I see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's really, really good, EJ. I'm so glad that you know how to count to 10. Very good. I'm also very proud that you know that you have 10 fingers and that you can count each finger to get to the total 10. Isn't that exciting? Would anybody else like to show me that they have how many fingers are on their hand? Yes, can I see, Larry? Very good. And can you count your fingers, Larry?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great. So now that we all know how to count to 10, and we also know what numbers are up to 10, those numbers again are 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for today, we are going to only use those numbers up to 10 to learn how to add with two different numbers, okay? Thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up. Great, great job. Now, you guys all have what is called a 10 frame on your desk in front of you. Now, a 10 frame means 10 squares, and we're going to use this to help us today. Now, can each of you count how many squares you have and raise your hand and tell me how many squares you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, raise your hand if you know. Yes, EJ, how many?
10.
You had 10. Very good. Thumbs up if everybody else counted and got 10 squares. Good job, Larry. Good job, EJ. So we all know that we all have 10 squares on our 10 frame. Very good. Now, I'm going to tell you guys a story. And this story is going to help us to learn how to add these numbers. Now, I want us to pretend, is everybody looking at their 10 frame? I want us to pretend that our 10 frame is a boat. And we're going to go on a magical boat ride. Does anybody have any ideas on where we should take our boat to? Raise your hand if you have an idea on where we should take our boat to. Yes, EJ?
Florida.
Florida. I love Florida. I'm so glad you said that. And guess what, EJ? On our pretend boat ride, we get to take 10 special friends. Because guess what? Our boat has exactly 10 seats.
And 10 alligators.
10 seats. That's right, EJ. So now I'm going to show you up here, right on the board so it can be easier. Our first stop, we're going to pick up 6 friends. So 6 friends on our boat that seats 10 people. So X, another friend. Oops, my marker is kind of running low, so I'm going to change it. Let me start again. 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend, 4 friend, 5 friend, 6 friends. Great. On our first boat ride stop, we picked up 6 friends. I want you guys to take your marker and make sure you have 6 friends, 1 in each seat. Can you count them and raise your hand and tell me how many X's you have on your 10 frame?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great. Can you raise your hand? Yes, EJ, how many did you count?
6.
Very, very good. Now, EJ, I have another question for you. If you look at your pretend boat, the one that you have X'd, Our boat, remember we said we could fit how many friends? Do you remember how many friends? 10. But we only have how many friends right now? 6. How many more friends can we fit in the boat?
4.
4. EJ, that's so smart of you.
I already counted it.
How did you know that?
Because I already counted it.
Oh, because you already counted it. Can you do me a favor? Can you X 4 more friends in our 10-seat boat? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I get a thumbs up if everybody has 10 friends in their boat? If you don't have 10 friends in your boat, please give me a thumbs down so that we can discuss that. Oh, I see everybody has a thumbs up. Great. Now, EJ, how many people are in our boat now? You can look at your 10 frame as well. How many friends do you have all together?
10.
10 friends all together, EJ.
10 alligators.
And can I ask you a question? Can we fit more friends on our boat now? I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
No.
No, why not?
Because there's no more space.
There's no more room. Because what did we say? How many friends can fit on our boat?
10.
10. Now, I have another story. We're still on our boat ride. Make sure you use a new 10 frame, okay? I'm going to jump down to
10
here.
ladybugs.
You want to do the ladybug one? That one's over here. I can mark that one.
I got 10 ladybugs.
You do. Please raise your hand if you want to ask a question or have a comment. Now, class, can you go ahead and count again how many squares are on your ladybug 10 frame?
10.
Oh, EJ, raise your hand, please. EJ, how did you know that you had 10 squares on your 10 frame?
Because the other one has 10.
Yes, that's right. Everybody has 10 and you counted to 10.
10
So this
ladybugs.
time, EJ, this one's a tricky one, so pay attention. On our pretend boat ride, this is a ladybug boat ride, okay? Our ladybug boat ride can hold 10 friends, okay?
10.
But this time, we picked up 4 friends first.
4.
So let's cross out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just picked up 4 friends on my ladybug boat. But my ladybug boat can fit 10 friends. So should we pick up some more friends?
Mm-hmm.
How many more friends should we pick up if we want to get to 10? How many more? You can count out loud so I can hear you.
6.
6. Very good, EJ. Now, can you take your marker and make sure we get all 6 people in to make sure that there's no more room? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to add this. Can you add them at your desk while I'll add it out loud? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, students, I have 10 friends on my ladybug boat. Can somebody raise their hand and tell me how many friends do you have on your ladybug boat? Yes, EJ, how many friends do you have? You have 10? So first we had 4 friends, right? Can I see 4 fingers, students? Very good. And then we added 6 friends. When we added 6 friends, we ended up with 10 friends on our ladybug boat, right? And now we're going to be sailing away to Florida. Now, can I get a thumbs up if everybody got 10 friends? Great. You guys are doing so good. I am so proud of you that I think that we are going to go ahead and jump to doing our worksheet. Now, everybody take your worksheet. And when you get your worksheet, you can just, you're going to work in pairs. So you're going to work with the student sitting next to you. And you guys are going to help each other.
I already got it.
And yes, that's right. You got your worksheet. Very good. Make sure to put your marker down And you'll use a pencil for this. You'll have to put your name, and then you'll have to use the pencil to fill out the worksheet. Now, what I want you guys to do is I want you to take 2 minutes to discuss with your friends if you have any questions. Listening. We're going to discuss 2 minutes with our friends right now if we have any questions about the worksheet. I'm going to walk around while you guys are discussing so that I can hear what you guys are saying. I want to make sure that we all understand how to add 2 different numbers to get up to any number that is less than or equal to 10. Okay? So I want everybody to take your time, just concentrate, look at the numbers, and then I am going to, like I said, walk around and help you guys. I really hope you guys liked the boat review with our 10 frames, and I'll be around to help you guys.